Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a full body HIIT routine wherein we'll work on our arms, legs and pelvic. So without wasting much time, let's begin with our warm up. So we will start from side to side step. So like always we have HIIT routine. So each exercise is going to be for 45 seconds with 15 seconds of rest. So we will start that after the warm up. But first let's warm up our body. Maybe you can take a shoulder roll here, forward and back. We'll continue the side step, but we will change the hand. So we will continue side steps and let's just take some arm circles here. So we'll do few of them clockwise. It's very important to warm up your body. Before starting any exercise routine. Now let's reverse our arms. So we really need to warm up our arms since we are just going to work a little bit on arms as well. Keep going. It's very important to move at least 30 minutes a day. And let's change and take those toe taps. So we have a lot of squats today. Mostly all the exercises have squats. If you're like me, in your third trimester, you can stay up. Like if you don't really want to go low, you can always stay up. Otherwise, you can always go for a low squat. Because I have some kind of pelvic pain, I generally avoid going too low. So now we'll begin with our first exercise. So I'll just show you our first move. So you start in this position with your toes in V. You squat and again come in same position. So we will keep our hands in waist and this is our first exercise. So let's begin. I'll keep on showing exercises as always and start. Keep going. And rest. Next up we have squat and toe taps with shoulder press. So you just squat and when you open your legs you just push your arms up and start. Squat and shoulder press. Squat, shoulder press. Squat, toe tap plus shoulder press. Keep going. There are a lot of squats today. And rest. Now we'll repeat that first exercise again. So we almost do each exercise twice. If you have the capacity, you can do like almost 4 times. And let's begin. So you start with your legs in V, you squat and go down. Keep going. Squat and go in. These are also called ballet legs. So when your toes are in V shape, you call them ballet legs. And rest. So this is active rest. You keep on moving. Now we have squat plus shoulder press. So squat and squat, 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 make sure you're able to see your toes when you sit low in squat. And rest. Next up we have squat plus butt kick. So you will take 2 butt kicks and squat. So that's going to be our third exercise. And start. Squat, butt kick. Squat, butt kicks. Keep going. Squat, butt kicks, squat. I'm not going very low since I have some kind of pelvic pain, but you can always do that. And rest. Now next up we have 2 squat pulses. So we will do that in plie squat position. 1, 2 and up. So 2 pulses and up. Let's go. 2 up. 2 up. Keep going. We're just working for 45 seconds with 15 seconds of rest. 2 pulses down and up. And rest. So we have a third exercise, squat plus butt kicks. Take a breather. HIIT workouts are a great way to help you lose weight in a very minimal time. So here we are not targeting on losing weight, but definitely we are targeting on keeping our body tight, toned and strong. So that also really works with HIIT routines. Squat, butt kicks. Going and rest. Next up we have 2 pulses in sumo squat. Two pulses and up. This is our last squat for this circuit. 2 pulses and up. And rest. Next up we have wall push-ups. So make sure you have wall next to you. So I will show you how we are supposed to do. Come on your toes and push yourself up. So it's just like staying in a plank position. Push the wall away from you. Push, push, push. So let's begin our next circuit. For the next circuit, we need a chair. So make sure you have something sturdy next to you. So we'll start with our chair squats. Okay, so let's begin. We'll do for 45 seconds with 15 seconds of rest. So you can keep your hands next to your chest in folded position. So I'll just show you. You have to squat and just come up. Normally like you would sit in a chair, okay? Let's begin. And start. Keep your upper body straight. Very important to keep the chest lifted. Remember not to stand up like this. Put weight on the heel and stand up. You can also just go down, not really sit and come up. But since we are doing chair squats, I would recommend you to sit completely. Keep going, chest lifted. And rest. Next we have plie squat pulses. So also known as pregnancy squats. We'll do 5 pulses and come up. 2, 3, 4, 5. I know you see this exercise a lot in my routines, but this is excellent way to work your body during this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Five pulses. This is our second circuit today. And rest. Let's take that active rest before we move on to our chair squat again. Option here to keep your arms crossed. I prefer keeping it like this. Squat and get up. Keep going. Thirteen. Count your squats and get up only from your glutes, putting weight on your heel. And rest. Next up we have those plie squats. Let's start. 5 pulses. Here again you have to put your weight on the heel. Try to lift your toes and see that your weight is distributed on the heel and not on the front body. Keep going. And rest. And now we have side lunges. So today we are going to do a variation. Just move from side to side, keeping your chest lifted. Start. We are not sitting very low since we are doing a movement here. Sit from the hip, put weight on the heel. You should feel the burn in your glutes. Chest lifted. And rest. Now next up we have a mobility move here. We will inhale your arms up, exhale and go down. So that was just to show you. Keep your hips wide as much as is comfortable. It's okay if you're not able to touch your palms down. That's not our target. Our target is just to move our body. I know you're tired after all those squats, lunges. Just give your hamstrings some break here. You can open your legs more if you feel that you're not able to, or you're pressing your belly somewhere. And rest. We have the side lunges coming up again, and then we have 2 moves on the floor. Let's start with the side lunges. Keep your chest lifted. Move from side to side. Keep exhaling. Sit. Make sure your knees in line with the ankles. And rest. Next up we have those arms going up and coming down along with our body. Make sure you move in between. Let's start. If you feel uncomfortable, you can open your legs. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings by keeping your knee tight. Inhale up, exhale and go down. And rest. The next 2 moves we have on our mat. So let's just come down once. So we'll begin in all fours. Raise the leg back. Now keep the leg in air, tap and up. Tap, up. Let's start. Up. So you're just tapping on side. Keep your stomach tucked in. Make sure your weight is equally distributed on both the palms. Keep going. Tap and up. And rest. Now let's change the side. So from this side. Let's start. Tap on side and up. Keep your stomach tucked in. This is working your outer thighs. After this, we have just one more exercise and then we are done. Now next exercise we have in downward dog position. So from downward dog, let's first take downward dog position. So I will need little bit more space. From downward dog, kick your one leg up and down. If this is very difficult, you can choose to stay in downward dog. So we are not really in downward dog. And rest. We'll just repeat that move once more. And start. Last few seconds. Oh, that was a definitely difficult move with all the added weight, but congratulations, we did it. Now let's just cool down our body. So just sit and let your heart rate come down. Let's take long deep breaths here. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now let's take a side stretch here and twist. Let's change the side. Make sure the chest is lifted up. Very slowly come up. Now fold your legs in one direction so you can also keep gap and bend on one side. In the side. Let's change our leg position here. Change the side now.
slowly release. So that was your 30-minute HIIT routine for the day. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you feel you can share it with someone, please do that. If you like our content, please ring the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. It is a pleasure to make videos for you. If there is something specific you want to see, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for joining us. Namaste.